Shri Gurubhyo Namaha student. Today I'm going to discuss exercise 6.3 question number 8, right? Question number 8. Find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Here one thing you have to listen carefully children. What it is given? The tangent is parallel to the chord. That is very important. Parallel, that is very important. If the things are parallel means what is the slope condition? Slopes are equal. Slopes are equal. That means slope of the tangent equal to slope of the chord. Tangent is parallel to the chord. That means the line tangent and the chord, that is also a line. So those are parallel. Parallel means slopes are equal. Now I'm going to move to the solution part, right? You see. Question number 8. The tangent is parallel to the chord. Now, solution. Question number 8. Solution. Given tangent is parallel to the chord. Parallel to the chord. So, from that what you understood, I told you condition of parallel means slopes are equal. Condition of parallel, slopes are equal. So from that what you understood, which implies slope of tangent is equal to slope of the chord, right? Slope of the tangent equal to slope of the chord. Slope of the tangent equal to slope of the chord. First we want to find the equation of the chord, right? Equation of the chord we want to find, right? What it is given? Slope of the tangent. What I wrote here, you see? Slope of the tangent equal to slope of the chord I wrote. 2 points are given. What it is? 2, 0 and 4, 4. Using that, first you should find out equation of the chord or slope of the chord. Slope of the chord formula I gave, 2-point formula. What it is? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope of the chord. Using the point, you are going to find out what is slope of the chord. Slope of the chord is nothing but y2, 2 points is given means this is the formula. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So, which is equal to, your points is what? 2, 0 and 4, 4. So 2, 0. If you want, you should write it here. 2, 0, 4, 4. That are the points given to you. So x1, y1, x2, y2. If you want, you should label it here. x1, y1, x2, y2. Right? Now, 4 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 2, which is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So slope of the chord is equal to 2. Slope of the tangent to the curve we want to find. Slope of the tangent, how to find? The curve equation is given to you. You are going to differentiate. You are going to differentiate, right? What is the slope of the curve? Sorry, tangent. What is the curve equation is given to you? You see, what is the curve equation? Y is equal to equation of the curve. It is given to you. Y is equal to equation of the curve. Y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. This is your equation of the curve. You are going to find out what is slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx. So, you are going to differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. I told you the derivative of x power n you have to apply. So, 2 into x minus 2. Inside the bracket, what it exists? X minus 2. When you differentiate x minus 2, what you will get? When you differentiate x, it is 1. When you differentiate minus 2, it is 0. That is 1 minus 0. Directly I wrote 1. Now you are going to equate. Slope of the tangent equal to slope of the chord. What is slope of the tangent you found? You see 2 into x minus 2, which is equal to 2. Slope of the tangent, slope of the tangent, that is your left hand side, which is equal to slope of the chord. Because in the question it is given that the tangent is parallel to the chord. Tangent is parallel means the slopes are equal. So 2 2 cancel, which implies x minus 2 equal to 1. Then what is your x? What is your x? Which implies x is equal to 3. Which implies x is equal to 3. Now you want to find what is y. Because in the question what they are asking, you see, find the point. Find the point. So you are going to substitute in the given curve equation. X should be replaced by 3. X should be replaced by 3. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 minus 2 the whole square. 3 minus 2 the whole square, which is equal, which implies y is equal to 1. Which implies y is equal to 1. Therefore, the required points, the required point is 3 comma 1. Right? First what I did, the slope of the, first what I did, you see, in the question it is given that the tangent is parallel to the chord. So I wrote slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the chord. Using the given points, I found slope of the chord. That formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then I arrived the result as 2. Right? I arrived the result as 2. Equation of the curve is given. Using that, I found slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is nothing but the given equation you want to differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to 2 into x minus 2. Here you are applying x power n, the derivative of x power n. Slope of the tangent equal to slope of the chord. So you arrived the result as x is equal to 3. That you go and substitute in the given curve equation, you arrived y equal to 1. Therefore, the required point is 3 comma 1. Now we'll pass on to the next question. What is that you have to see? Question number 9. Question number 9. Find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus y at which the tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. Here the question is indirect. You should understand first, right? The question is indirect. You want to understand. Solution. Question number 9. Right? What it is given? Again, I read the question. Find the point on the curve. Find the point on the curve at which the tangent is. So, The slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to slope of the tangent. Sorry, slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to slope of the curve. That is the meaning, right? What I said, you repeat, anyone? Yeah, very good. Slope of the tangent, slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the tangent of the curve. Slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to slope of the curve. It is not given to you. You have to understand the meaning of the question first, right? Find the point on the curve at which the tangent is. At which the tangent is. So the curve, the tangent, it touches the curve at a point. Slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to slope of the curve. That is the meaning. What is the equation of the curve is given to you? What is the equation of the curve? Equation of the curve is equal to, that is equation of the curve. Equation of the curve, y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5, right? You want to find slope of the tangent. That means the given curve equation you want to differentiate with respect to x. So what is your dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to, here also again you are applying the derivative of x power n. 3 into x square minus 11. Then it is given that equation of the tangent at which, sorry, at which the tangent is y equal to x minus 1. Here how to find the slope? How to find the slope? Y is equal to what it is given, you see? Y is equal to x minus 11, right? The tangent equation it is, at which the tangent is. How to find the slope? I will tell you, you have to listen carefully. The coefficient of x is your slope. Coefficient of x is represented slope, right? Coefficient of x is represented slope. What is the coefficient of x here? As slope. What is the coefficient of x here? 1. So slope equal to what? 1. Slope equal to 1. Slope of the tangent, what it is? It is equal to 1. Slope of the given tangent it is, right? Slope of the given tangent. What is the equation of the tangent to the equation of the tangent to the curve is y is equal to mx plus c. That you don't want. General format alone you have to write. Given line, what it is? Y is equal to x minus 11. Given line, given equation is what? Y is equal to x minus 11. Here, how to find the slope? The coefficient of x is represented your slope, I said. So what is the coefficient of x here? 1. Now you have to equate, right? Which are the things you are going to equate? You see, slope of the tangent to the given curve at the point, right? Now you are going to equate. Which are the two things you want to equate? Slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to slope of the curve. That is 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1. 3x square minus 11 equal to 1. Right? You recall the previous slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to slope of the curve. Now, 3x square equal to 12. 3x square equal to 12. 3 fours are 3 ones are 3 fours are, which implies x square equal to 4, which implies x is equal to plus or minus 2. Whenever you are taking square root, you should use plus or minus, right? Now, when x is equal to 2, what is y? X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. What is y? Y is equal to where you have to substitute in the curve equation only. X cube minus what? 11x plus 5. Then 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5, which is equal to 8 minus 22 plus 5, which is equal to minus what? 22 is here. Here 8 plus 5, 13. 13 minus 22. 13 minus 22. What do you arrive? Minus 9. Right? Minus 9. Next, x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 the whole cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5. Here you arrived minus 8 plus 22 plus 5, right? Which is equal to 27 minus 8. That means 19. What you arrive? The point, when you substitute x is equal to 2, y is minus 9. When you substitute x is equal to minus 2, you arrived y is equal to 19, right? Equation of the tangent at, you are going to find out what is equation of the tangent using the point 2 comma 9 minus 9, right? Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent at point, what point? 2 comma minus 9. First you are going to use that. What you arrive, you see y minus 9, that is equation of the tangent, 1 point slope form. You have to recall 1 point slope form. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. M into x minus x1. Here your slope is, equation of the line is given, no, y equal to x minus 11. That slope you have to use it here. Equation of the tangent slope is what? What's equation of the tangent slope? Slope is 1. So here you have to substitute 1. Here it becomes minus of minus plus x minus 2, right? Which implies y plus 9 equal to x minus 2, which implies y is equal to x minus 11. What it is given in the question, the same thing you arrived when you substitute the point 2 comma minus 9. But minus 2 comma 19, it does not satisfy your given equation. Minus 2 comma 19, it does not satisfy your given equation, right? That you have to write at the answer part. The point minus 2 comma 19 does not, the 2 comma minus 2 comma 19 does not lie on the line. Does not lie on the line. Which line? Lie on the line, does not lie on the, sorry, the same thing I wrote it repeated. Does not lie on the line y is equal to x minus 11, because the point does not satisfy your given equation of the line, equation of the tangent. That's why I said slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to slope of the curve. Right? Once again, I repeat, you have to listen carefully, children. The question is not direct. See here, slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to slope of the curve. Equation of the curve is given. You are found dy by dx. Here the equation is given to you as y is equal to x minus 11. Using that, you are finding the slope. What does it gives you? So how to find the slope? Coefficient of x is represented your slope. So slope equal to 1. Then you are equating both the slopes, right? Because it is equal, you said. So you are equating. You arrived the result as you arrived the result as x is equal to plus or minus 2. When you substitute x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 9, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 19. Now we are going to find, using the point, you are going to find the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent at a point, 1 point slope form, that is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here you are going to substitute the points in the equation. Which one it satisfies, you are checking. 2 comma minus 9 is satisfied. Minus 2 comma 19 does not satisfy. So the point does not lie on the line. Right, children? Did you understand? Shall I move to the next question? Yeah. Question number 10. Right? Question number 10. What it is given in the question number 10, you have to see. Question number 10. Find the equation of all lines having slope. Slope is given as minus 1 that are tangents to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus 1, where x not equal to 1. Where x not equal to 1. Right? For that, I am going to give a solution. Now you see. Question number 10. Solution. What it is given, again I read the question, you have to listen carefully. The equation of all lines having slope minus 1 that are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. First we want to find out slope of the tangent using given curve equation. Using given curve equation. How to find? Using, you are going to differentiate with respect to x. You are going to differentiate with respect to x. Given. What it is given? The equation of the curve. Equation of the curve. What it is? Yeah, anyone? Be attentive and respond. Yeah, y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Next, slope of the tangent means how to find. You are going to differentiate with respect to what? With respect to x, right? Now, slope of the tangent. That is dy by dx equal to, see here, minus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole square. How I wrote this? Anyone? Yeah, very good. You are going to shift x power minus 1 to the numerator, right? X minus 1 the whole power minus 1. Now we are going to apply the derivative of x power n. What is your derivative of x power n? Shall I write it here, children? X power n, the derivative of x power n is nothing but n into x power n minus 1. Using the formula, you are going to differentiate. Now, minus 1 into x minus 1, the whole power minus 2. When you shift to the denominator, it will act as positive. So, I wrote directly as minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square. Here what it is given, tangent having slope equal to minus 1. Tangent having slope equal to minus 1. That means dy by dx should be replaced by what it is given. Dy by dx is given. Sorry children. Dy by dx equal to minus 1 is given to you. Right. Now, here it is given dy by dx equal to minus 1. Slope of the tangent is minus 1. So, you are going to equate minus 1 equal to 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole square. Right? Now, you are going to cross multiply. See here here also you arrived minus 1. No? So, minus cancel, which implies x minus 1 the whole square equal to 1. Right, you people understood? The given curve equation you are differentiating, you arrived minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square. Already in the question, the tangent of the slope is minus 1. So you are going to equate dy by dx can be replaced by minus 1. Finally, you arrived x minus 1 the whole square equal to 1. Now we are going to find out what is x, right? See here. Whenever you are taking square root, I told you have to use plus or minus symbol. So, x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. Then, x is equal to plus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 minus 1, right? Minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, sorry, plus 1 plus 1. Sorry, children. Plus 1 is there in the right side. When you shift minus 1, it will act as plus 1. So, which is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to what? 0. So, you arrived x value is 2 and x value is 0. Right? I hope you people understood. Now we are going to substitute x is equal to 2 in the given equation. That is y is equal to 1 divided by x minus 2. What you arrive, you see, y is equal to 1. What you arrive? When you substitute x is equal to 2, when you substitute x is equal to 2, y is equal to, sorry, x is equal, y equal to 1 by x minus 1 only, no? I wrote it wrongly, children. Sorry. X minus 1, right? Y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Now, so y is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. Now, when you substitute x is equal to 0, your y is equal to 1 divided by 0 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. Which is equal to minus 1. Is equal to minus 1. Now, what they are asking in the question, you see, find the equation. What they are asking? Find the equation of the tangent. So, what are the points you found? The points Therefore, therefore, the points on the curve, the points on the curve at which, at which the slope, what it is given in the question, at which the slope of tangent is, slope of tangent is -1, or what are the points you found? 2, 0 and what? 0, -1. 2, 1. Sorry. 2, 1 and 0, -1. Using the point, you are going to find out what is the equation of the tangent. Because in the question it is given in the plural form, right? Find the equation of all lines. Find the equation of all lines. So you are going to find out what are the lines. So equation of the tangent. How to find equation of the tangent if the slope and point is given 1 point? 1 point slope form. Equation of the tangent. See, formula you have to write first. Right? Y minus y1, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here your m equal to -1. Your x1 comma y1 is what? 2 comma 1. Right? That you are going to substitute here. Y minus 1 equal to -1 into x minus 2. Now y minus 1 equal to minus x plus 2. Now you see y is equal to minus x plus 3. Already in the question it is given that your slope is -1. Whether it is correct or not, you should check. The previous question I discussed how to find the slope of the equation. The coefficient of x is represented your slope, I said. So what is the coefficient of x here? -1. So what it is in the question, that is 100% correct. What we found the equation is also exactly correct. Now we'll pass on to the next point. What is the next point? The slope is same. x1 comma y1. What is the point here? 0 comma -1. 0 comma -1. You have to see whether here also it is correct or not, right? Now y plus 1 equal to -1 into, yeah, x minus 0. Y plus 1 equal to minus x, then y is equal to minus x minus 1. Here what is the slope of the equation? Coefficient of x. What is your coefficient of x? -1. In the question what it is given? The slope of the tangent is -1. So what we found, the equation of the tangent is 100% correct, right? Now we want to write the equation of the required lines. Equation of the, therefore, equation of the lines. Right? You are going to write it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Right? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. General form, if you want, you write general form of straight line. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The same thing you are going to apply here and write x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 equal to 0. What is the next equation we found? What is the next equation we found? X plus y, yeah, plus 1 equal to 0, right? Two equations, right? What are the two equations? X plus y minus 3 equal to 0, x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, right? I hope you people understood. Once again, I teach the 10th question, right? You have to listen carefully, children. Here entirely different, right? What we learned up to the question number 7, that is different. 8, 9, 10 is different, right? See your first. Given the equation of the curve, slope of the tangent, you are finding that dy by dx equal to minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square. What is the slope? It is given in your question. That is, slope of the tangent is represented by dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to minus 1. So you are equating. You are equating and find what? You are equating and found what are the values of x, right? One value of x is 2, another value of x is 0. That you substitute in the given curve equation. Then you arrived y value, that is y is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. Now, the points on the curve at which the slope of the tangent is minus 1, that is given. The points what we found, that you gathered and wrote 2 comma 1 and 0 comma minus 1. Now, equation of the tangent. How to find equation of the tangent? Point is there, slope is there. So y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Then you arrived what? Y is equal to minus x plus 3. We arrived the equation. Whether it is correct or not, you have to check. What is the slope is given in your question? Minus 1. Here also you arrived the slope is minus 1. So what we found, that is correct. Now we'll pass on to the next point, that is 0 comma minus 1. Here also, what is your coefficient of x? Minus 1. What is your slope is given in the question? Minus 1. Both are same. So what we found here also, it is correct. Then we modify the thing in terms of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Equation of straight line, right? So you arrived x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. X plus y plus 1 equal to 0, right? I hope you people understood, right? Yeah, children. Question number 9, you see. Question number 9 alone, you people find difficult. Again, I will explain that, right? Here. First, you should understand, that's it. 8th question number, you see, tangent is parallel to the chord. So, slopes are equal. Slope of the chord, you are using the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right? Using that, you are going to find out what is the slope of the chord. What is the slope of the chord? What you arrived to. So equation of the curve is given as y is equal to x minus 2. You are differentiating. Then both the slopes you are equating, equal. You arrived x is equal to 3. Then you substitute in the curve equation, you arrived y is equal to 1. Therefore, the required point is 3 comma 1. Now, slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to slope of the curve, right? Then equation of the curve is given, that you are differentiating with respect to x. Slope of the line is given. What is the slope of the line? Here I say the coefficient of x is represented slope. That is also your dy by dx. If you want, you should write it here. Dy by dx equal to 1. That is understood, right? Then you are equating. X value you arrived to, right? Then you substitute in the curve equation, you arrived the y value. Using that, we are going to find out what is the equation of the tangent. 2 points are there which it satisfies that you are going to find. That is equation of the tangent is 2 comma minus 9. Then you arrive y is equal to x minus 11. What it is given in the question, the same answer you arrived here. So this point is satisfied. Move to the next point. It does not satisfy. If you want, you have to substitute there. Y is equal to minus 19. Y is equal to 19. X is equal to minus 2. So 19 equal to minus 13. Whether will it satisfy? No. So your conclusion is it does not satisfy. It does not lie on the line y is equal to x minus 11. Next question. Already I discussed. I hope you people understood, right? Shall I move to the next? Shall I continue the class next? Sorry. Tomorrow I'll continue the class, children. Sorry. Tomorrow I'll continue. Thank you, children.